Happy Father's Day week and weekend, everyone, from lumaautomotive.com at Luma Auto. Um, I just, I mean, I just looked and I was gonna start doing a video, and I saw this just a great picture of my car that I use the graphene spray on here, and it's lasted several days. It's been amazing. So just want to throw that out there. But this video itself is about the all-purpose cleaner, because I inside I had to get a lot of the sunblock that the kids have been using recently, because it's summertime. So they're going to the beach, they're going to the park, they're going to the river, they're going to, of course, summer camps during the summer, so we can do our work during the day, or wherever they might go, daycare, wherever it might be. And they are, before they get out of the car, they're putting on sunblock, and then half of it gets on the car, it feels like, or in the interior seats. So of course, like I said, Luma Auto, the all-purpose cleaner is just amazing, and it gets the job done. Like I said, it does a good job. Microfiber and the all-purpose cleaner, just done. Done deal. Thank you so much. Happy Father's Day to all those great fathers, and of course, those mothers that support us. Get the job done as a father. So happy Father's Day, and thanks, moms out there. Don't forget to get this for Father's Day.